Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This video is going to be a little different than my regular videos. Normally, I'm trying to give you guys advice, and this video, I'm going to ask for your advice. I need your help. If you watch my recent unboxing video, there was some really cool comics that I got, and they were like the listing said that they were poor, like that they were really poor grade. And I thought, oh wow, they're going to be beaten up, they're going to be terrible looking. I didn't really have high expectations because they were golden age. They were golden age comics, and usually golden age comics are pretty beaten up. It's like 80 years doesn't do much for comics. They can get pretty beaten up. However, when the comics arrived, they were not what I expected. They were pretty pristine, actually. So if you take a look, here's the comic that I want to ask you guys about. I'm really trying to ask your advice about this comic. I'm going to take it out of the bag just so you can see how pristine this comic is. It is just amazing looking. Don't want to kind of mangle it here, but it is just like, it's perfectly flat. And it's just really, really presents well. The pages are off-white, maybe. Just really just really, really amazing. The only thing wrong with it is the spine. Now look, the spine is it's like chewed. And that's the only thing wrong with it. It is not off, like the cover is not detached. It's just that the spine has been, like that little bit has been kind of chewed. So the question is, do I tape it like with restoration tape, or what do I do when I send this to CGC? Because the spine is not detached, and it's the cover is not detached, I should say, but it is chewed. So the question is, what do I do? What grade do you think I should be able to get for this? Because if it wasn't for the spine, I would say this is actually like a 9, or like a high, maybe even a high 9. Like, if it wasn't for the spine, like it's just a very pretty comic. It's like, as I said, pristine. So the question is, what grade do you think I can get? Is it going to get really low grade because of the spine? What do you think I should do in order to get the highest grade for this possible? And what should I do to present it the best to CGC where I can get that high grade? So if you guys can help me out, give me some advice, I'd really appreciate it, because I really don't know. I don't know how this will be viewed by CGC. I don't know if they're going to just say, oh, it's a 2 because it's got a ruined spine. So yeah, I'd be curious what people think. Please leave your comments below. This is what I need from you. I need some advice, and I appreciate any help you can give me on this. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Usually I'm the one giving advice, but this time I really need your help. Thanks for watching.